Printhead cleaning. Don't turn off the power or unplug the data cable during the cleaning process. Test strip printing. The lines on the test strip are complete and clear with no disconnection. The lines of the test strip are broken. Deep clean the printhead 2 to 4 times. After cleaning, print test strip to check the effect. If there is still an abnormality at this time, you can soak the printhead. Firstly, move the carriage away, and then prepare printhead cleaning fluid. Draw cleaning fluid. Drop into ink pad. But be careful not to soak it for more than 30 minutes. Completely filled. The last, return the carriage to its original position.